See if he falls off. This is Mr. Bumblefoot. Clawed his way up our washing. Ow, missed.
Oh, you're too cute. Too cute.
Play with one of the towels. Yeah, watch your fingers. Here, down the middle. Not quite. Oh, how can I get to that? Jeepers.
Ow! Owie! Ow!
These are wet towels, by the way, he's sitting on.
Aww, that's cute.
My blankie. My blankie. I got his back. I'm playing with his back leg. Now I got his puku. Got his...
Oh, he got me. Oh, he got me. He got me.
You're bleeding.
He got me.
You're gonna fall off. You're gonna fall off. Don't you bite me. Toe egg. Monkey brain.
How were you even able to claw us? We took your claws recently.
Look, I'm gonna play with Mum's nice clean washing.
Oh.
You little monkey, you. Look at that. I'm going to have a go at the camera if you get any closer.
Ooh. Ooh. I'm going to wipe my blood on this flannel.
Smoochie pussy, aren't you? You just... Ow! Little toe egg. Vicious little prat. Play with the towel.
I'm not that dumb. I dare you to try and get that off.
My blankie. That's mine. It's wet. It's actually sopping wet. We're hanging up to dry it. Watch your fingers. My blankie. Give to Mama. God, look at those whiskers have come forward. Give to Mama. Silly bloody animal.
He's actually holding on to it.
Now I'm going to have to wash it again. Look, he's going to put slobber all over it. And he's going to kill it. Yeah, too late. You dropped it. Look, where'd that go? No, I'm not going to pick it up for you. Don't look at me like that. Where do you think I am? You're going to have to climb off and come and get it.
Oh, that's just sad.
Now we're getting snobbed.
Oh, no.
That's okay. I'll just play with the other one. I don't want it on me. Just slowly pull it off and see what he does.
I am real slow. I know you don't want it.
Yeah. Yeah. She was... Well, take it off because it's not... You can't play with it like that. Now he's going to eat that. Yep, now I'm going to, now I'm going to have to play with that. Yep. Now chew that, right, chew that. Right, go on, good, give it a good chew. Go on, give it a good chew. Go on, give it a good chew.
Gobble.
Ow!
He just missed
He
me.
just missed you. Wait. What, you want some as well?
Missing out.
You're missing out.
Oh.
You're missing out. You're missing out. Kill zone coming up here. Yes, I know. Don't climb up my leg.
Oh, look at those eyes. Hello. I steal a kiss from you.
You're right.
No calls that time.
He's having a lot of fun up on this.
He's having a ball, isn't he? Ew.
Like he was about to go blip. Was it a blip move, mate? He's got his foot hanging down.
That's what you get for
One foot
shoving
hanging
it down
down.
your throat.
No.
He shoved it down his throat
Yeah,
and
saw
made
that.
himself free. You little rascal. Don't get again.
Oh, did you wash those claws? You're gonna eat him from laughing. I want to see if he's gonna fall off. Right?
You little rascal. You're so cute.
Look at that guts. Puku. Puku. Oh, ow, 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 ow. You got me.
Are you bleeding?
Just a little bit of blood, a little bit. Little monkey. Do this.
Tug of war. Tug of war. Tug of war. Oh God, those eyes.
They're not quick enough yet.
I think someone's getting tired.
He's looking, look at the way his feet are going. Bubble feet here, chicken legs. Chicken legs. Ooh. He's got the claws hanging onto here.
He's like, don't touch me, but I don't want to let go.
Go on, you're going to fall right down the middle, you silly sod.
You are, yeah.
Yeah, he's got his belly, no, his belly's holding him in 1 foot. There's 1 foot in there somewhere, there it is.
Think about what you're doing.
Oh, you like, really?
Think about what you're doing. It's about time you got trained to use that brain of yours. This flannel is the only thing keeping him on here now.
No, he's not. He's got his claw. Oh, yeah, he's got to get his feet up. He's got 1 foot hanging down the middle.
Oh, there's so much blood on this flannel.
Oh, yuck. You're washing it because I'm not.
Oh, the washing machine's washing it.
Go on, shall I go for his belly?
I dare you.
goes. But no, not quite. Oh, and there he goes. What an idiot. Right, I'm going to stop this now, eh?